Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn about how to make creative Instagram posts for food brand like KFC and Zomato. Just open the Instagram and see KFC official page. If you ever notice their Instagram posts, they are very simple with limited elements and text. Every post have a limited text and they are using also a trending movie dialogues too for attract the audience. So these types of posts nowadays are trending. I decided to make a video on these types of posts, so let's start. So here I just opened the Adobe Illustrator and it's Instagram post size like 2000 by 2000. It's a good size for Instagram post. Step is write a creative line for post, which is a tricky part. Obviously, I just did some research and wrote this line like let's the veggies fight inside. Then according for this line, the idea for the post click in my mind was flying of veggies or salads. So I download the PNG of salad from the PNG website, and if you don't know the best websites for PNGs, you can watch my recent video on PNG images websites. Okay, from here I am clicking and dragging here a background. First thing, obviously a background, a good background according to the brand. Like with the food brand I am using this background, a little smoky from the outside, so I like it. Okay, just click both or select both with click and drag, and right click and make clipping mask, or you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+7. Adjust the background according to the size of post. Here is a good background, it's looking good. Okay, next step is I am just click and drag this image here, which is flying of veggies. I just downloaded it from the PNG website. You don't need to put a high efforts on the images. If you have options like PNG websites, you can use them. Here, it is good to go with this background, and I am just adding a text here. That is our creative line, let's the veggies fight inside. From here change its color into white. I'm just clicking and drag with the help of shift and alt. Must press with the shift and alt because it's go with proportion. So here is the line and I don't like in a straight line, it's boring. I'm just a little bit adding here, just clicking and moving into the next line, and also the same here, let's the veggies fight inside. Okay, here it is. And also I am using this font 28 days later, which is good to go with this food brand. So next step is I don't like this huge space between the text, so I am adjusting this. I think 150 is good to go. No, it's not good to go. I am using 100. Yes, now it's good to go. Increasing its size. Okay, then just click the middle line, which is veggies fight, and I am changing its color into yellow, because if you noticed with the food brand they are use red and yellow colors. I'm using yellow color here. You can also choose the colors according to brand identity, what they are using. you can create some creativeness in the text and post. It changed the whole look of the post. So the next step is I am adding a logo, which is also I downloaded from PNG website. Just click and drag here. I am embedding it and image trace it because I want this to change its color, and in PNG form you can't change the color. So obviously I am expanding it and then image trace. It's a good option in Adobe Illustrator to image trace. And then expand. Just click on the image and go to ungroup and delete the part which you don't want. Just click and press backspace. I'm just clearing this logo. After removing the parts which you don't want in the image, just click Control and group. Change its color according to your brand. I am using the same color palette like yellow. So I am just clicking it and changing from here a yellow color. And here I am putting a logo, but I want to change its opacity because it's grabbing a whole attention. So I am going with 74%. I think 65 will be good. Yes, it's good. Okay, I am just adding a single element here because I think this post needs some supportive element. I just grab this line tool segment and click and drag with the help of shift. I am adding the stroke, which is also yellow, and here the stroke size is 1. Then go to effects. From here go to distort and transform and click zigzag. Click on preview so you will see what's going on the image. Click on relative and then go to smooth. No, not relative. Yes, it's absolute. Not absolute. Relative is good. Okay, it's smooth and click OK. Just click and drag here. With the help of shift, I want to increase its size. And here from this size to like this. So I am going to appearance and click on zigzag and a little bit adjust the size. This is good, 6%. And I want to copy it, so just click and with the help of Alt and Shift drag here and then press Ctrl D to copy it one more time. So here a creative post for the Instagram is ready, and I hope you like the video. Must share your feedback in the comment section. Till then, the next video. Allah Hafiz.